vanity desk set review perfect makeup solution for home salon. Are you tired of struggling with dim lighting while doing your makeup? Look no further than the Iron Vanity desk set with LED-lighted mirror power outlet. This makeup vanity is a game changer, featuring ultra-bright LED lights with 3 color settings: warm yellow, warm white, and cold white. With just a touch of the switch, you can transform your makeup routine, whether you're getting ready for a night out or a professional photo shoot. Organization enthusiasts, rejoice! This vanity is equipped with 4 spacious drawers, including 2 large drawers and 2 tabletop drawers. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to neatly organized cosmetics, perfumes, and makeup brushes. With everything in its place, you can streamline your routine and focus on unleashing your inner beauty. But wait, there's more. The Iron Vanity desk set goes above and beyond with its built-in charging station. Featuring 2 standard plug sockets and 2 USB ports, this vanity makes it a breeze to connect your hairdryer, curling iron, or any other beauty tools. Plus, you can charge your phone, tablet, or other devices, ensuring you're always selfie-ready. Whether you're treating yourself or searching for the perfect gift, the Iron Vanity desk set is sure to impress. Its sleek design and practical features make it an ideal addition to any bedroom, bathroom, or salon. Strength and protection measures ensure durability, giving you peace of mind for years to come. Elevate your makeup routine with the Iron Vanity desk set today. We're diving into the world of organization and style with the Yitahome chest of drawers, the farmhouse 6-drawer dresser that's here to elevate your space. First up, let's talk about organization. With 6 roomy drawers, this dresser is a storage powerhouse. From books to socks, lamps to jewelry, you name it, this dresser can keep it neat and tidy, creating a cozy atmosphere in any room. But what about durability? Fear not. Yitahome has crafted this dresser with robust materials, including a 0.59-inch thick particle board base, beveled MDF trim, and sturdy MDF blocks on each side. With smooth glide rails, each drawer opens and closes effortlessly, ensuring both stability and timeless charm. Speaking of charm, let's talk about aesthetics. The Yitahome chest of drawers exudes vintage allure with its classic Roman column silhouette, accentuated by black corner brackets and metal ring pulls. The antique pine and walnut tones add a touch of simplicity and nostalgia to any room, making it a statement piece wherever it's placed. And last but not least, versatility. This dresser isn't just for clothes. It doubles as a TV stand, sideboard, or foyer cabinet, making it a multi-purpose marvel for living rooms, entryways, walk-in closets, nurseries, and beyond. In conclusion, the Yitahome chest of drawers offers both style and substance with its ample storage, robust craftsmanship, vintage charm, and multi-purpose appeal. Plus, with effortless assembly and dedicated customer service, it's a gratifying addition to any home. Thanks for tuning in.